What is up? What is going on? This is What's for Dinner. I'm Drew, and your ingredients. Okay, of course, the star of the show is 80-20 ground chuck. It's my favorite kind of burger to cook with. Last time when we did the burgers, it was 85-15. Came out a little dry. I overcooked them. Yeah, so we're going to go roughly 5 minutes aside in our cast iron skillet. Of course, we're back with the potato buns. Self-explanatory. And I'm just going to give them a little dousing of the kosher salt. And then I'm going to use this McCormick hamburger seasoning. And also, I just use some El Cheapo. You want pickled jalapenos, and those were actually cheaper than some of these. And then to top it all off, you'll see later when we build it, I've got this sweet hot pepper mustard. It's got habanero, jalapeno, cayenne, and chipotle in there. And then I'll show you what I did with this horseradish right here. Here we have our jalapeno applewood bacon. You can see all the jalapeno flakes in there. And then I have pepper jack cheese. And then what I did with the horseradish, I took equal parts of this, just put it in this little cup here, and whisk it all together with equal parts mayo. It's just your regular everyday Hellmann's mayo. I still wanted a kick, but I didn't want it too overpowering. And of course, you have your El Cheapo pickled jalapenos, just some shredded almost lettuce, and then I have a couple thinly sliced tomatoes because this is going to be super hot, and I don't want it to overpower everything. So I want to heat up my cast iron skillet. I'm going to fry the bacon first. I'm going to work these into patties, and you'll see that. We'll be right back. So I have just a couple pieces of parchment paper here. I'm roughly going to divide this into half. And a lot of people tend to overwork their burgers, and that's when you see them puff up in the middle, and that's not what you want. Again, you could take a couple plates and some parchment paper in between them and work them out that way. I like mine pretty thin. I don't like it too thick. So let's see, just kind of work them out. And again, when you're making this, don't rub your eyes. Also wash your hands, obviously. But I like them kind of thinned out. Again, I've taken the plates and smashed them in between there. But you won't have to put your thumb in the middle like a lot of people tell you to do, as long as you don't overwork them. So, okay, I've got these about as thin as I like them. Let's see. See that it focuses, and these are going to go into the freezer. A lot of the time I'll put another piece of parchment paper on there because I don't want the stuff from the, but I'm not going to season them until right at the last minute before they go on. I don't want the salt to bring out any of the moisture. Into the freezer these go. About to put the bacon on. Okay, my pan is heating up. Should be enough fat from this bacon where I don't have to put any oil. I can already smell the jalapeno. So, once this crisps up, we'll be right back to plate these. Good with my hamburger seasoning. This stuff by McCormick's great. About the last burgers. Again, I might only be able to cook one of these at a time, so we'll see. We got our bacon grease in there. Yeah, I think I'm only going to be able to do one at a time. And then just for the last minute, I only gave it one flip so far. See the crust on there. Then I'm going to add my cheese. I might as well turn this off because this is so hot anyway. We'll be back to build our burger. Okay, so I toast up the buns off camera. Here goes nothing. This is the, again, sweet hot pepper mustard, habanero, jalapeno, cayenne, and chipotle. And you can see, let me know if you guys try this burger. You can see this stuff right there. This burger is going to burn your dick off. Okay. Of course. Our patty with our pepper jack. Our jalapeno bacon. Just go like that. There's our jalapenos. Notice how my wife's got 6 on hers. There's 4 on mine. Shh. Don't say anything. And I know I should have cut more lettuce. But here is our horseradish mayo going on. And when you mix the equal parts of mayo, it tends to thin it out, which I like. I don't like it too creamy. There's that. Yeah, I know. Could have been more lettuce. But the kicker is you almost need the tomato to kind of balance everything out and cool it off. Let's see if I can't get a cross section on there. Oh Lord. That mayo is good. Let's see. Can't get a picture on that. Okay. Oh, Mr. Creepy Face Cam. And 5 minutes aside was perfect for medium rare. Please like, subscribe, and share. We appreciate everybody that watches. And hit that notification bell if you want to see more of our videos. Thanks again, everybody out there. Take care.